So if you don't know how group works and before that you want to test the group capabilities, then group is providing a 7-day free trial period. In this video, even I will provide you a free bin cards which you can use in your group subscription and get a 7 days trial period. But you have to subscribe this channel and watch the video at the end. So let's start. Basically, Grok is providing a free subscription in Asian countries which are listed down on your screens. Don't worry, if you are not in Asian country, then you can use a VPN where you can connect with an Asian country and get a free Grok. So once you click down start your 7 days trial period, you can add your card details here. I am listing down the card details at the end of the video, which you can add and get a free group 7 days trial period. So you don't have to get an issue about an card as well if you don't have any card. So you will see a payment is start processing. The main reason behind getting a 7 days trial period that you can generate a video and test the quality of the video if you like, and then you can buy a monthly subscription. Here you will see I am generating a video. Uh, in 7 days trial period, you can get a video, even you can generate a 10-second video and 720p quality. So enjoy the tutorial, and here are the details which I promise you to get at the end of the video.